Hello, it's Jessica, and today's video is a cat treats tasting. See which ones that Kimchi here likes and which ones that Gertrude over there likes. So I just opened these so it'd be easier. They have not tried these before. This one is so it'll be interesting to see how they are gonna do with it. It's gonna be their big big treat day today. They don't know yet what's happening, but she's definitely interested in the smell of one of these. But yeah, so let's go ahead. I have their bowls here. This is Kimchi's bowl and Gertrude's bowl. So let's get to it. Let's see if they are excited. Okay, now let's do the magic words. Treat, treat! Yeah, you want a treat? Come here. Let's get your bowls ready. Yeah. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so this is Gertie here. Kimchi here. Let's see. Yeah, you want a treat? First, let's smell. Let's smell. So first, smelling is this Feline Greenies Dental Treats Tempting Tuna flavor. Let's see how Gertie likes to smell. Gertie, you like it? Yeah? Kimchi? Kimchi, you want to smell it? Okay. Well, not much of a reaction. They're just waiting for it to go in the bowl. So let's go ahead and do that. Kimchi? Gertie? Okay, so Kimchi's not sure. Gertie already swallowed it. Kimchi took it out of the bowl. Well, that was one. Let's try one more. Let's see. Kimchi? Gertie? Wow. Kimchi, you didn't even chew that time. Gertie also usually doesn't really chew. So that was number ones. Now let's see. Let's go with this next one. Is shell flavored seafood. So let's see. One moment. Well, let's see how they smell. Okay, Kimchi, what's that smell? Here, let me open it a little bit more. Here, Kimchi, what's that? Gertie, what's that? You like it? Oh, she's trying to eat the plastic. Kimchi, you like it? Okay, now let me just break a little piece off for them. 1 second. Okay, I broke this into 2 little pieces here. So let's see. Kimchi! Gertie, sit. Sit. Good girl. Here, Kimchi. Gertie. Here, baby. Let's see how they are doing. Kimchi's technique is always take it out of the bowl. Gertie's taking her time eating it this time compared to usual. Oh, some. Oh, it's gone. It's gone here too. See what their reaction is once it's gone. What happened? Where'd it go? Gertie, it's gone. Yeah. Oh, you like that one? Yeah? So yeah, that was this one, number 2. Let's see with number 3. What is this? Crab flavored. One. I'm gonna go ahead and let them smell it. Oh, Kimchi. Oh, Rudy. You want some? You want some treat? Yeah? Okay, let me go ahead and break this into little pieces. Okay, so these are the 2 pieces of this option 3 one, the crab flavored. Let's see, Kimchi managed to walk over there for some reason. Gertie's been here the whole time. You want some treat? Come here, Kimchi! Treat! Yeah? Gertie, sit! No, this is not yours. Here, come here. Oh, wait, I can't do this. I got this. Gertie! Kimchi! Okay. So, this time Kimchi's... Oh! No, I thought she was going to eat it in the bowl, but I think she's trying to take it out now. Oh, no, actually, I think she's keeping it in there. Nope, she's decided to take it out. Gertie's already finished with hers. She's a fatty. Yeah, you chunky. Let's see. There's still some left in her bowl there. But I think this is also another yes for them. They definitely seem to be liking these ones more than the previous one, the dental treats. So let's see how they'll do with the next 2 after she finishes. Gertie, out. 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 Thank you. She's still going strong, taking her time. Gertrude's bowl is cleaned out. Okay, it looks like she's finished. Okay, now let's go with the next one. Option 4 is this one right here. Another crab flavored one, but this one is just like liquid tube container ones. So let's see. First I have to take one out. Here it is. So let's open it and see, let them smell it. 1 sec. Okay, come here. You want this? Smell it. Oh, she wants that. Kimchi? Yeah, you want some? Here. Let's have some kimchi. Oh no, kimchi, it's on the floor. I'm sorry, it's right there. Here, I'll just go ahead and put these. Usually I feed it to them just alternating, but I think it'll be easier to do it this way. Oh no, I squeezed them out on accident. Here, Gertie. Thank you for cleaning that. Okay, so let's put some in the bowl. It does not look appetizing, but from the reaction so far, seems like they are definitely enjoying it. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Treat! Kimchi, you're not fat. You don't have to look at yourself in the mirror and be on the scale. Come here. You want some treat? Treat, treat? Come here. Gertie, come here. That one. It's right there. Kimchi here. Yeah. Gertie, like always, is into it. You can hear her. Oh my, it's gone already. Kimchi's using her foot to eat it. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness gracious. She's never done this before. I'm so in love. You're so cute, Kimchi. Yeah. Gertie, you want some more? Here, let me just... Oh, so cute. Let me give you some more. You're gonna get it on your face if you keep... You made a mess now, Kimchi. I mean Gertrude. Kimchi's still using her little foot. Oh, he's so cute. He's a cute Kimchi. Wow, yeah, you like it? Oh, this is so nice to be able to record this. This is the first time I've seen her do this before. I've had her for 5 years. She's given up though. But it's nice to have some of it on camera. Gertrude finished her second helping already. Look at that belly, guys. Look at that. Let's go ahead and give Kimchi her second helping. One moment. Okay, well, I used up all of this. This is empty, but Gertrude is jealous that Kimchi is eating now and she has nothing to eat, so I'm just letting her lick the plastic off, make it clean. But there's nothing there. It's gone. Yeah, so Kimchi did that cute little thing, but she's over that cuteness now. But that was unexpected. So that was the crab one. That was number 4. And last little treat for them is the chicken and liver. Ew. But, you know, cats need some of this stuff in their diet. But, yeah, chicken and liver. Let's see if they like liver or not. Okay, let me just open this quickly. Okay, so it's open now. Let's go ahead and let them smell it. Gertrude is definitely interested. Oh yeah, you like that? Kimchi, come here. Come here, Kimchi. Come here. Treat treat. Treat treat, Kimchi. Yeah. I don't know if she likes it or not. But let's go ahead and give some. Here, Gertie. I know you're fatty. Here. So there's that. And there's that. See how this goes. Well, Gertrude finished hers already. Kimchi's making a lot of sounds, that's for sure. Gertie, what happened? Is it gone? Yeah, your bowl's empty. Poor baby. But she ate that one pretty fast as well. Okay, let's go for second helpings. Gertrude, watch out! Yeah! Kimchi, watch out! There we go. Okay, and after they finish this one, I'm gonna have them just smelling each of them again, see which one they are most excited about the smell, since they've tasted it. But yeah, let's see how that goes. I think there's a little bit more left in here. Yeah, there we go. Get me Gertie. And geez, your turn to lick the plastic if you want it. Yeah. It's all gone. Okay, and here's all of the trash so far. But yeah, I think they are finished. Just cleaning the bowl. Gertie, what happened? There's no more. It's empty. Okay, let me go ahead and take these. Okay. So now let's just smell. You want some? Kimchi? Are you full? Here we go. Okay, no licking the plastic. They just smell it and look at it. Okay, so that was option 1. This is option 2, the shell. Ooh, Gertie likes that one. Kimchi. No licking the plastic. So Gertie liked number 2 more than number 1. Number 3, the crab. Ooh, Gertie loves that one. Kimchi. Nope. Okay, now let's get these containers. This was option 4, the crab flavored. Gertie. Oh yeah, not as much as the other 2. Kimchi. She smelled that one a little bit longer than the other 2. Other 3. And the last one is number 4, which was the chicken liver. Let's see how Gertie reacts. Oh, she bit that one. That's the first one she bit. The other one she just licked. And Kimchi? Kimchi? Oh, she licked that one. She likes this one. Okay, so Kimchi likes this one a lot. Gertie likes this one a lot. But Gertrude also really likes these 2. So these 2, and so the crab and the shellfish and the chicken liver is what Gertrude likes, and Kimchi likes the chicken liver. So that's our little cat treat taste testing session with my cats. But yeah, so if you're in Korea and you're curious if your cats will like these treats, they like this one. I think I like this one more than they do because it helps with their nasty, stinky breath. But they really like this, and from Japan. And then these are usually okay, but they really like the chicken and liver flavored one. So yeah, go ahead and buy these if you're here in Korea and you have some kitties. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, put a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. And please let me know if you have any comments. Go ahead, put those down below, and have a great and safe and happy day. Bye bye. Gertie, bye bye. Yeah. Kimchi, bye bye. Bye bye.